Have you seen videos like this before?
My dear, this is our first night together. How do you feel?
I'm a little scared.
I understand your feelings, but we want a child as soon as possible. This was the best hour of my life.
If you haven't seen these videos yet, they are part of a new popular trend on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Look at this TikTok page. It gained more than 200,000 followers in only a few days and got over 5 million likes in that same short time. The amazing part is that the channel has posted fewer than 20 videos, but 200,000 people are already following it. That is honestly crazy. All they post are animated videos of fruits with human faces, and the number of likes they get is huge. One of their videos has over 1.4 million likes. Another TikTok page gained over 3 million followers in just a few weeks, and they only posted about 10 videos. 3 million followers. That is hard to believe. But you know how I work. I don't keep secrets from you. I have already created the prompt you need to make videos like these, and I'm going to share everything with you, step by step. I will show you how to edit, how to create your images, how to animate them, and which tools to use.
First, I'll open the link in the description and copy the master prompt from the file. I designed this prompt to help the AI build a story in 4 steps. First, it will suggest 10 emotional stories and wait for me to choose one. Then, it will provide the full narration. For every scene, it will create an image prompt, a video prompt, the text, and the characters needed. Finally, it will make a Pixar-style character sheet for all the characters. Now, I'm going to Claude, pasting the text, and clicking Generate to get those 10 story ideas. Wow, this is amazing. Look at how Claude organized these suggestions and built a custom interface for me. Other chatbots usually just wait for instructions, but Claude is much more creative. I'm choosing story number 9, Grafted. It's about a hybrid fruit, half apple and half pear, searching for its true identity. I picked this because creating Pixar-style hybrid fruits is a big challenge for most AI tools. It's the perfect way to test Nano Banana's power. My second reason is that I believe storytelling connects with the audience on a deeper emotional level. Of course, this is just my opinion. You should always check what your own audience likes. Remember, this is an educational video, so I am only showing you the production process today. If you want your videos to go viral, you must spend plenty of time on your script. You can only learn this skill by studying your competitors and watching popular videos. Honestly, never let AI do everything. Use it as a helpful tool, but in the end, you are the one who must understand your audience's needs. All right, let's move on with the tutorial. I'll click Choose this story and wait for Claude to finish its work. Now that the content is ready, it's time to create the images. I'm going to the Flow website. I put the link in the description and clicking on New Project. Here, make sure the image option is selected and set the size to 16 by 9 landscape. I'll set the number of photos to 2 so I have a choice. Finally, I'm choosing the Nano Banana 2 model because it is stronger and more affordable. Now, I'll just copy the character sheet prompts one by one and paste them into Flow.
All right, my images are ready. From these 6 photos, I'm going to pick the 3 I like best so we can look at them together. First, we have PAYA, the main character of our story. He is a fruit that is half apple and half pear. Next is MIRA. In the story, she has a small injury on her right cheek. And finally, here are the apple judges. Now, let's start making the main images. First, I use the split screen feature in Chrome and scroll down to the first scene. Since PAYA is the actor in this scene, I go to his character sheet, click the 3 dots, and select Add to Prompt. After that, I just copy the prompt for the first scene and paste it into the Google Flow box. Finally, I set the dimensions to vertical mode, which is 9 to 16, and click Generate to create the image. While I wait for the first photo to generate, I'll move to Scene 2 and repeat the same steps. After that, it's time for Scene 3, but this one is a little different. In this scene, I have 2 characters, Apple Judges and PAYA, so I'll add both character sheets to the prompt and then enter the final instructions for Scene 3. To save time, I have skipped ahead to the last scene, Scene 11. Now it is time to animate the photos. I'll start with the first scene, click the 3 dots and select Animate.
As you can see in the prompt box, the photo is now the start frame. It is ready for the animation prompt. Remember, you only need a start frame to make a video. You do not need an end frame at all. Now I will copy the prompt for the first scene and paste it into the Google Flow prompt box. Before I click Generate, I make sure the settings are correct. I chose one video in the VO 3.1-Lite model. This way, each video only uses 10 credits. Since free accounts have 150 credits, this is the best way to use Google Flow. With this method, you can make 15 videos every month with one account.
Finding ways to keep your quality high while saving those precious credits is what we're all about. Hit subscribe so you never miss these expert hacks for Google Flow.
I click Generate and wait for the first video to finish. Now look at the AI credits. You can see it only used 10 credits. To save time, I'll do the same thing for the other 10 scenes and then download all of them in 720p quality. Now let's create the audio. First, go to the Google AI Studio website. I left the link in the description for you. In the Speech and Music section, select the Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS option. Under Mode, choose Single Speaker, and for the voice actor, I'll pick Lita for this example. Next, go back to Claude, copy your narration text, and paste it into the text section on the site. Click Run to prepare the audio file. Finally, download the voice and move it to your editing software. There, you can sync the sound with your video and export the final result.